Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today I have a Whole Foods order. Now this Whole Food order mainly consisted of things to juice because I like to cold press juice once a week. My juice of choice this week will be mainly green produce. It's all random depending on the pricing of the produce at the time. The closest Whole Foods to me is about 45 minutes away. That's why I like to get my items delivered, and they often have a lot of sales online. Better sales than if you were to actually go in the store and look for them. Kuma wanted to say hi to all of you guys. One of the reasons why I love ordering from Whole Foods is that if something is not in great condition, you will be able to get a refund, no questions asked. And this time around, I had one item that was kind of moldy, which was my organic limes. Not a big deal, it was only 2 of them, and that was okay for my purposes. When I lived in New York, I used to go to Whole Foods about once a week, sometimes twice. But now that I live in Connecticut, now I can only order from them, which is once every week or two. Okay, so now it's time to chop all of my veggies and fruits for juicing. I start off with green apples. Now I had purchased a 20-pound box from Azure Standard, but they were really mealy and didn't juice well. So that's why I added it to this order. Now oranges bring a really nice balance to my green juice and they help to fill it up because they're just so juicy. Now I don't like to throw anything away, so the peels I'm going to be using to dehydrate them and make them into powder so I can use them in future recipes and in teas. I don't have a specific recipe when I make my juices for the week. It honestly depends what I can find and what I'm looking for. For this week, I really wanted more greens besides the orange. Other times I will just do pure orange like carrots, orange. I'll add some fresh turmeric in there, maybe some apples, but this time was more green. One of my favorite purchases ever was this masticating juicer from Omega. I believe it is almost 10 years old and it still does a bomb job at juicing your leafy greens like your spinach and your kale, and it really squeezes every juice out of anything that you put inside. I am honestly shocked that it hasn't gone bad on me because I use this every single week. I might take like a month or 2 off, but generally it's pretty much often. This machine removes out all the oxygen inside of the mason jars to extend the shelf life of my juice. Now these generally don't last for like 5 days, but between my husband and I, they're gone pretty fast. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!